Hi, I'm Louisa Sijabat and I'm a trustee in bankruptcy in Australia. I'm often asked what the process is for someone to declare their own bankruptcy in Australia. It's actually quite simple. The person needs to complete a form called the bankruptcy form. It's about 25 pages and it asks information about that person's assets, debts, income and other financial information. Once they've completed the form, they return this to our office if they've asked me to be their bankruptcy trustee. We check the form just to make sure that no questions have been accidentally missed and submit this to the regulator, the Australian Financial Security Authority, sometimes called AFSA. AFSA then usually take about 1 to 5 working days to process the form, and then will advise that the form is accepted, and from that point, that person's bankruptcy starts. So that's the process to declare bankruptcy for yourself in Australia.